How to redeem a gift card in the Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem a gift card in the Uber Eats mobile app so you can start using that credit on your next meal. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the account section. Now here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as send a gift. So simply tap on it. And now here on the new page, you can see the option labeled as got a gift card. So just beside that option, you can see the redeem button. So simply tap on it, and after that on the new page you can see the text field at the top. So simply tap on it, and after that simply enter your 16-digit code, and once you're done with that simply tap on save. And here, if the code is valid, the amount will be instantly added to your Uber cash balance. And now, when you place the order, Uber Eats will automatically use the gift card balance first unless you change the payment method at checkout. And here, you can always check your current credit by going back to the wallet, and that's it. That's how you can redeem a gift card in Uber Eats mobile app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.